I'm really stoked by this. And this is some of the best carbon fiber I have ever seen anywhere, interior or exterior, that you can put in your car. Now, the BMW F80 series, right? So the M3, M4, M2 competition, you've got your carbon fiber strut that comes down, right, across the nose of your car. But underneath that, you have this kind of U-shaped metal plate. Well, Masumaro has made an unbelievable carbon fiber version of this. It is absolutely feather light. It is so strong that if you look at some of their production videos, it shows it between two blocks and somebody standing right in the middle and jumping up and down on it. So this is as strong as the metal. It is significantly lighter. If you are worried about weight restrictions, you want to take your car in a little bit more of a racing environment and weight matters, and it's just gorgeous. This is going to be such a great install. I cannot wait to get this into my car. I was so excited when I heard about this, and I really do believe that this is a world exclusive. I looked around. Masumaro had really taken the lead on this. They have developed all of this in-house. They've created this in-house. I haven't seen anything like this anywhere else in the world. So I definitely recommend you check them out. And I wanted to do this install for you to show you this is something you can easily do with just a little bit of time and a bunch of bolts. All right, so let's go ahead and get started in the engine bay, and I'm going to show you how you could put this into your car too. All right, y'all, so here we are with the new brace here, just kind of sitting in place so you can look by comparison.